Hello traders, in this video we are going to see about how to read the price action in ICT using USD JPY pair. You can see here we are reading the price action in USD JPY pair in Forex. So in this video, how to find a draw on liquidity and how to read the market, what we can expect here. So right now I am in a daily time frame, weekly time frame what the market has been done in the weekly. So we can mark that what the market has been done in the weekly. So external range liquidity to the internal range liquidity. Market after shipping this liquidity, market went for internal range liquidity. So what the market did in weekly, the market shows the bullish sign, which market taking ARL went for IRL. After taking external range liquidity, after market vending internal range liquidity. So let's go to the lower from in daily. What the market is showing here. So the market is showing bullish sign in the daily. So in daily market retrace back into the weekly FEG after the market getting retracement. So we can expect the bullish sign in weekly and daily. So let's go into the 4 hour time frame what we can expect here. So in 4 hours, the market showed that the market is overall turned into a bullish. When market inversion this IFEG in 4 hours, this sign shows the market is totally changed into uptrend. So we get a higher time frame weekly, and after external trade liquidity, now we are getting the FEG which inverse IFEG. So we consider market is going to be bullish. So I'll be going for 1 hour to identify that. So what the market has been doing here after taking this liquidity, market take this liquidity, it just missed to take this liquidity. So my DO will be expected market to be taking this size on Monday. So what the market is doing, market is filling this imbalance. So I expect market to come down. I'll be expecting market to come down some before. I think market will be taking this loss. I think you can see here in 15 minutes you'll be getting very good how market do here. So what we can expect? Definitely we can expect this as our target. So let's go to low time frame for 15 minutes. What the market is doing here. So the draw is perfect. You can see here the draw which I mentioned here is perfect. We can expect the market to go here very comfortably. Why? Because the bias is bullish and market is inside the 15-minute imbalance. I'm expecting the market should see this. What I am expecting, I'll be drawing missing brush. So I'll be Monday likely consultation in the London section, New York section, market will be taking this size. So what I expect in here. So guys, if you have a doubt in this video, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be clearing this video. So because this liquidity is not taken, the above high sign, higher liquidity. So market will be sweeping this size. So this is a fresh size. So if you have a doubt in this video, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be clearing this. Bye traders. This is the USD trade breakdown.